Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix the Srttrail txt error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will need to first enter the automatic repair loop. And so to do that, I'll be saying to you on how you can do it, since I can show it to you in my device, because the moment I do that, the video recording application that I have here will be automatically off, and it will cut the video. So I'll just be saying to you on how you can do it. So please go to your keyboard and then press and hold the shift key, and then go to this Windows icon here, make a right click, hover your mouse to this shutdown or sign in option, and then you can now click on this restart button. And then once you do that, you will get now the automatic repair loop window. All you need to do is just to go to the troubleshoot option there. And then once you have clicked on troubleshoot option, please click advanced option and then proceed with command prompt. So I'll be now opening my command prompt so that I can show you on how you can do it in the command prompt window. So let me just quickly open my command prompt, and then we will first go with the first command, which is boot. So just type it just like the way I am typing it. So boot rec.exe space / rebuild bcd. Again, it's boot rec.exe space / rebuild bcd. Now once done typing this one, just click on enter, and then we will proceed with the next one, which is boot rec .exe space / fix mbr. Again, it's boot rec.exe space / fix mbr. Now once done typing this one, just please click on enter again and proceed with the next command, which is boot rec or boot rec again .exe space / fix boot. Now once done typing, just please click on enter again, and then this time, once you have done that, we will proceed with the last one, which is chkdsk space / r space c colon. And then once done typing this one, just please click on enter again, and this will check any disk errors on your system. And once it's found, then it will fix it for you. And the next thing you need to do is to try restarting the system. Now, after the restart, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then go again to the automatic repair loop window. So again, press and hold your shift key in the keyboard, make a right click here in the Windows icon, hover your cursor into the shutdown or sign out option, click on restart, and then you will now be entering the automatic repair window. Once you're in there, all you need to do is just to go again to the troubleshoot option, and then go click on the advanced options, go click on the startup settings, and then click on restart. You'll find their startup settings. So if you go over the options there, you will find the enable safe mode with networking. That is number 5. Now, once you have read on that, or once you have found the enable safe mode with networking, what number or whatever number it is, then please go type it in your keyboard, and then it will reboot the system in safe mode. Once you have done that, you will now be opening your device, and then please go to your command prompt window. Here we need to type cmd in the Windows search tab, and then go to the best match. Here in the right section, you will look for run as administrator option, and then just go click on yes to the window user account control. And then here you will be typing in this black window the command DISM, all in uppercase letters. space / online, lowercase letters, space / clean up hyphen image, space / restore health. And then once done typing, just please click on enter and then click on or type exit. And then if you can't type it, just go directly close this window. And then once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then go again to the automatic repair window. Please go again to your keyboard, press and hold the shift key, and then make a right click first in the Windows icon, hover your cursor into the shutdown and sign out, click on restart button there. And then once you're in the automatic repair window, all you need to do is just to go to the advanced options. Go again with the troubleshooting option there, and there, please select now the reset this PC option. Again, it's the reset this PC option, and then click on keep my files, and then keep your files, and then reset now your device. And after the reset, see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.